Hello, it's Alicia with WTI, and I have this adorable pair of cycling gloves that I wanted to show you. So if you are cycling for a long distance, or you are doing a lot of indoor cycling, maybe taking a lot of classes, sometimes it can be a little bit uncomfortable on your hands. Sometimes it's a little hard to grip the handlebars, and it can just get a little uncomfortable after a while. So these cycling gloves are awesome. They are really comfortable. They're super easy to get on. They have a little adjustable Velcro strap here so you can get the perfect fit. These are size small, and this is the color purple. And I love that they just give you a tiny bit of extra padding on the hand. So when you're cycling for a long distance, you can really stay comfortable and your hands don't fatigue as easily. The palm has this rubber grip, so it's very easy to hang on. You're not gonna slip on the handlebars. And it's also nice that you can still be able to grip like your water bottle if you need to grab it, and it's not gonna fall out of your hands. And you've still got your fingers free, so if you need to do anything with buttons or changing gears, it's really easy to do so. I also love how easy it is to take them off. You can just pull on these little pull tabs and they come off super easily. So even with sweaty hands, really easy to get them off. So really happy with these cycling gloves from HTZPLOO. I think that they offer a really nice protection, comfort for your hands. They're very cute and very comfortable. So I would definitely recommend these, and that is my point of view.